Hello, my dear friends. It is a great pleasure for me to introduce the World Ozone Day 2025. This day has been dedicated to the fragile layer that protects all life on our Earth. The theme of this year, 2025, is From Science to Global Actions. The theme of this year reminds us that the ozone layer that is located in the stratosphere 10 to 15 kilometers away from the Earth's surface acts like a sunscreen for our planet, absorbing most of the sun's harmful UV radiations. This theme also reminds us that protecting of the ozone layer is a global shared responsibility. What we do locally, whether it be at home, at school, or at workplace, has a global ripple effect. Ozone layer filters UV radiations. Without a healthy layer, more harmful UV radiations reach our surface and increasing risks to our health and wildlife. It also supports ecosystems, as harmful UV radiations can harm the phytoplanktons, which is the basic components of ocean food chains, and can harm our crops and biodiversity. So what can we do to protect our ozone layer? There are several practical steps that an individual can take to protect the ozone layer. Use energy wisely to save electricity and reduce air pollution from power plants. Minimize the use of chemicals that deplete ozone layers, and support sustainable transportation such as walk, cycle, and use public transport systems to reduce air pollution that interact with UV stress radiations. And also practice responsible consumer practices by supporting regulations and other brands that follow safer chemical disposals. At policy level, the government of Sri Lanka can strengthen its enforcement of international commitments by fully implementing the Montreal Protocol and its subsequent amendments. And also, the industrial policy can support incentives for greener technologies and can tighten the regulations on the import of ozone-depleting substances such as methyl bromide and chlorofluorocarbons. Monitoring and reporting is also essential. Therefore, investing and collaborating with science-based institutions to check or monitor the harmful radiation levels and ozone levels and openly share the data can support public actions. Finally, the ozone layer is a global shared shield that protects our life, our health, and our well-being. Each of us and our leaders has a role to play in preserving it. By choosing safer products, by supporting strong policies, and staying informed can create a better environment for ourselves and our future generations. Protecting of the ozone layer is not just an environmental issue, it is a global responsibility to safeguard our common future. Thank you for your attention. Let's commit today to make informed choices and support policies that keep our ozone layer strong for the generations to come. Thank you.